Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show y'all some updates that I've made to my construction company business plan template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll jump into some of the updates that I made to my construction company business plan template again for 2023. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and zip right through it. Thank you. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my construction company business plan template. And so for the first update that I made to my construction company business plan template was the industry research. As we all know, industry research is an important cornerstone to any business plan or any business plan template. So you do want to make sure you have the most up-to-date information possible. And so what I have is I've got a subscription to what's called IBIS World. They are an industry leader in industry research. So what I did is I went to their report for the construction industry and I extrapolated various statistics and summarized the information, and I put it into my business plan template for the industry analysis section. So some of the statistics that I updated with the revenues, historical growth, projected growth rate, profits, wages, and also number of businesses in the industry. So all that good information is now up to date for 2023. The next portion of the business plan template that I updated is I actually expanded the industry research. Typically for my business plans, my industry research is going to be about a page. Now what I've done is I've added this little segment which brings the industry research to 2 pages, and the portion that I added was the products and services segmentation. So this information, it's not huge, but it does show a little bit more research, a little bit more meat in the bone, adds a little bit more credibility. So a little bit does go a long way, and this is now up to date and included in the business plan template. And finally, the final update that I made to the business plan template is that I've made the profit and loss section for the first year more customizable. So typically what you would do, or for my other business plan templates, what you would do is you'd enter all your information into the information page, and then the financial projections would update for the next 12 months and the next 5 years. Now what I've done is I've made it more customizable. So what you can do is if you click on the profit and loss tab, you can now change the sales growth or the revenue growth on a monthly basis for the first 12 months. So now it's made it more customizable, added a little bit more power and customization capabilities to the financial model. All right, so hopefully this information is helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.